Today I want to talk about the corner shelf that I'm going to install here. Let me show you. This is the corner shelf I'm looking to install. So as you can see under, you see how nice it's look. You sit outside and you can see above it. So I want to show you something. I can just flip it and take it out, and you can see what's going on. As you can see, I cut these tiles to fit this corner shelf. As I put it back here, see it will go. So if you look up, you can see there is a very small space, probably 1/8 of an inch. Okay, and under there is hardly any space. So this space is for the tin set. Okay, and I probably also, after that, I will probably put some silicone. If I can see here, there is some more space here. But what I want to show you is how to install this kind of corner shelf that it will never go out. But before, I just want to show you other stuff. I want to show you the slope of this corner shelf. Here I put a level that I want to show you what's going on. So this level put in one side, and you can see it's almost level here. And put on the other side, you can see it's almost level here also. But if I'm going to put it here in diagonal way, you will see something really strange happening here. You can see the bubble here. I have to really give it a big increase. So you can see there is a slope, purple slope in this corner shelf to accommodate water. If water actually coming to the corner shelf, they will be slip down to the drain. So before I'm going to put the shelf corner, I just want to show you what I did here. I actually put here tin set, special tin set. I will show you which tin set it is. But I create here kind of a bed mat, as you can see from here. And here what I did, I actually put a tin set in these two sides of this shelf corner. So now I'm going to put it in the area where it should be located. You should be very careful here. I just pushed the tin set inside also here. I'll show you very soon what's going on. I'm taking this brush, which I wet in this sponge, and I'm just cleaning the surround of this shelf corner. Let me show you from close distance how it's look like. That's the way it's look from top. You can see the tin set is all over. That's the way it's look from the side and from this side, and that's the way it's looking from the bottom. So you can see how nice it's actually installed. And now I'm going to install the mosaic here.